Are you still using needle pointer gauges on your ride? Now you can get that clean, slick look of a digital dash on your carbureted cruiser. Holley's standalone digital dashes can replace all your traditional gauges with a state-of-the-art full-color touchscreen. Available in 2 sizes, the touchscreen auto-dims, giving you crystal clear sharpness day or night. With access to multiple screens just by swiping, you get to view and customize all your favorite gauges. Easily set up driving screens, tuning, race, even warm-up screens. The fully programmable touchscreen allows you to customize the layout of your gauges, displaying them in analog or digital styles. You can set up warning lights and even virtual switches, eliminating the need for external toggle switches. Configure your own backdrop for that custom one-off look, or choose from the pre-configured screens. Basic engine functions are wired directly to the dash, with plenty of room for additional sensors. Configuring inputs and outputs is easily done through the dash. With predefined Holley sensors already programmed into the dash, adding sensors is easy. Non-Holley sensors are also supported with sensor scaling. An internal GPS sensor calculates speed, odometer, and trip functions. An integrated G-meter monitors your acceleration and lateral forces. These dashes are easily mountable on your console, dashboard, off a roll cage, or simply a steering column. With room for 13 multi-configurable inputs, you can be sure everything will be visible and data logged. A built-in USB connection allows you to expand your available memory for easy file management. On-screen data log playback allows you to review vital run information right on the dash, while full analysis via laptop is available. With USB keyboard and mouse functionality, setup is quick and easy. A CAN bus is included for plug-and-play compatibility with Holley EFI systems. So next time you need to keep tabs on the vitality of your engine, swipe on over to one of Holley's new standalone digital dashes.